What is up, everybody? I am Chaka, and this is the Chakaverse. Today, I'm going to be talking about Nvidia. Nvidia is what I use. It's the Nvidia Broadcast to make the animated backgrounds. I'm going to walk you through how to use a video file for your background, and I'm going to walk you through what Nvidia is and how you can get it. So, if that's something you're interested in, stick around. We're going to talk about it.
Chaka Crypto, you're entering the Chakaverse. Chaka Crypto, welcome to the Chakaverse. Chaka Crypto, you're entering the Chakaverse. Chaka Crypto, welcome to the Chakaverse. He all speaking Chaka facts, I'm out speaking Chaka words. We all making Chaka raps, we call this the Chakaverse. No, I can't help you cop the bag, but I can help you do research. So come and join the Chaka pack, explore the Chaka universe.
All right, so this is the Nvidia website. It's www.nvidia.com. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check it out. It says Nvidia Broadcast. The Nvidia Broadcast app transforms any room into a home studio. Take your live streams, voice chats, and video conference calls to the next level with AI-enhanced voice and video. I've had a lot of people ask me how I'm putting a video file as my background. Well, this is how. I downloaded the Nvidia Broadcast. The system requirements for the Nvidia Broadcast: Windows 11, 64-bit, version 1.4.0. The system requirements: the GPU, you need Nvidia GeForce RTX 2060, the Quad Pro RTX 3000, or the Titan RTX or higher. 8 gigabytes of RAM or higher. Recommended Intel Core i5-8600, the AMD Ryzen R5 2600 or higher. The Nvidia Studio Driver 526.98, Game Ready Driver 526.47, Nvidia RTX Enterprise Driver 526.67 and above. Internet connectivity during installation, so you gotta have your internet on. And today I'm just gonna be talking about the background. There's a lot you can do with this. You can change your microphone settings, you can change your output audio settings, all in the Nvidia Broadcast. So once you download it, it's going to look something like this. This is the icon right here. Once you click on the icon, it's going to take you right to the Nvidia Broadcast. You can see you can change your microphone settings. Right now I'm using the HyperX Quadcast Pro, this right here. And it gives you many options with your microphones. You can really make your microphone sound a lot better. The noise removal, the room echo removal, that works really well. You can also change your speakers right here. You can change your headphone settings and different effects on your speakers. But today I'm talking about the camera. And you have many options with the camera. You can just do a plain background removal. And I'll show you right now, I don't have no green screen. This is all from the AI, using the outline of my body, and my lighting it's mediocre. It's not really great, and it still does a really good job taking the background out. This is my real life background. This is my studio right here. So as you can see, I have a couple LED lights up. My lighting is basically just the lighting from the computer screen, and it still does a really good job of cutting out the image. So you have background removal, you have auto frame. Auto frame I like because it'll auto frame your face and it tracks it. I don't have a camera that moves or anything. This is all from the Nvidia Broadcast. If I move, it tracks with my face. I think that's really cool. If you can use that in your stream, that's a really cool option. You can also zoom it in. Hey. Video noise removal option. And then this one is the eye contact beta. What this does, it uses AI if you're not looking directly at the camera, and it somehow makes your eyes look directly at the camera. So I'm going to turn that on. All right, now you can see I'm not looking at the camera at all. But as soon as I turn on the eye contact camera, it's making my eyes look right at the camera. Right now I'm looking down at my computer screen. This is a pretty neat one, kind of weird to me, but people could use this if they're reading from their screen and they still want to keep eye contact with the camera. That's a pretty cool option. And this is the background removal. This allows you to use a video file for your background on your stream. This is a really cool option, because not a lot of people are using a video file for their background. So this is something different, kind of makes it a little bit unique because not a lot of people are using this right now. But you can use any video file that you have. Just make a video file and save it to your laptop. You see I have a couple here. These are just some examples of other video files that I have. I'll go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see it. This is like a computer room background, and all this is possible with Nvidia Broadcast. It really makes your stream unique. I really like this. Make it look like I'm in a cabin somewhere with the boats in the background. Do a news report. I use this background like I'm a news reporter. And like I said, for the most part, it looks really good. You can see right, let's see how, like right here in this area, it doesn't, because of the lighting, it is breaking up a little bit, but all in all, no green screen. This is the best background removal program that I've found so far. And I'm not using OBS, I'm using StreamYard. OBS has different options, so this is the simplest and the most effective background remover that I've found so far. So if you're looking to make your streams pop a little bit, be a little bit more unique, and you want to use video files for your background, like I have here, then Nvidia Broadcast is the way to do it, and it's all free. You know, I didn't have to pay anything. I just had to download it and make sure I had the right GeForce RTX on my computer in order to use it. But I'll leave the website in the link down below so you can read on it, check out the system requirements if you meet those requirements in order to use the Nvidia Broadcast. But other than that, I hope this video helps somebody who is streaming to make their videos more unique. But I'll be putting more Nvidia Broadcast videos out. I want to talk about the speaker settings and the microphone settings and the other functions that you can use with this. But that's all I got for you right now. I'm Chaka. This is the Chakaverse, and I will see you in the metaverse. Peace.